Here comes the Tribal Chief, the 2026 Men's Royal Rumble match winner, Roman Reigns. Tonight, Roman Reigns will destroy CM Punk because CM Punk disrespected Roman Reigns' father. And the Tribal Chief will never forgive CM Punk for that. Roman Reigns promised to retire CM Punk at WrestleMania 42. Roman Reigns promised to win the World Heavyweight Championship at WrestleMania 42. And here comes the World Heavyweight Champion, CM Punk. Punk is very confident that he will beat Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 42. Roman Reigns is very angry on CM Punk. But what will happen when these two brawl with each other tonight on Monday Night Raw? No. Things are getting heated between these two, and here comes CM Punk. Let's go. Roman Reigns and CM Punk brawl on Monday Night Raw. Punk smashing Reigns and sends the OTC outside with a clothesline. And now Reigns back inside the ring. Hits a spear to CM Punk. The best in the world in so much pain, and now Reigns destroyed CM Punk. Sends him directly into the hospital. Look at CM Punk, who got smashed by Roman Reigns, and now again Reigns, Punk, brawl. They went too personal with each other, and now they become two of the biggest enemies in WWE. And now Roman Reigns stepping inside the steel cage, inside the ring. Oh no! He targets CM Punk again. Smashes the best in the world into the steel cage. A spear. Roman Reigns scared Paul Heyman. And oh no! CM Punk attacks Roman Reigns now. Punk attacks Reigns with a mic. And now a JDS to Roman Reigns. The masked man Seth Rollins looking at them. And now Reigns back in WWE, spear by the OTC. Oh no, Braun Breaker destroys Roman Reigns. And now Paul Heyman begging for mercy from the masked man. But he did not realize that another masked man, the real masked man, smashes him with a steel chair. And that mystery attacker is the visionary, the revolutionary, Seth freaking Rollins. Former Paul Heyman guy become a biggest threat for Paul Heyman himself. A cow stomp out of nowhere by Seth Rollins to Paul Heyman. And now Austin Theory, a stomp to CM Punk. And now Braun Breaker going for the cover on the best in the world. Punk gets out. At the very last moment, the Vision in utter shock. After the shocking kick out of CM Punk, and now Frankenstein. Another kick out by the best in the world. And the dog Braun Breaker will try for something that he never tried before. And now Braun Breaker from the top rope, lead kick clothesline. Look at the replay from different camera angle. Braun Breaker destroyed CM Punk, and also the announcer's desk. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more incredible wrestling action like this. Braun Breaker now trying to drag CM Punk back inside the ring. Trying to put the best in the world back inside the ring. Will he succeed before the 10 count? Yes sir, he did. And now the dogs are working for the dog Bron Breakker. Taking a run up. The dog gets a knee strike for the best in the world. Look at the replay of how Bron Breakker missed and CM Punk hit it. Now Punk picking Breakker up over his shoulders. GTS, look at the replay again. A GTS connected with perfection on Bron Breakker. Cover. CM Punk defeated Bron Breakker to retain the World Heavyweight Championship. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now Jimmy Uso with a phenomenal forearm.
Put him in a body bag, Jimmy!
Big Jim with full momentum now. Austin Theory changed the game. Incredible forearm strike by Austin Theory.
You're fine!
To Big Jim.
Little sissy boy!
And now Theory punishing Jimmy Uso with the punches. And now Big Jim going to the top rope. Big Jim up top. Oh, close line takes out Logan Paul. And now he's smashing Paul. Theory back inside the ring. But the pressure. Also getting some pressure from Jimmy Uso. And now the numbers came. Logan Paul and Austin Theory beating the hell out of Jimmy Uso. Big Jim in big trouble. But what will happen now? Who will say oh no? I should say oh yes. Jey Uso smashes Logan Paul. And now the Usos takes out Paul outside. Look at the replay of how the Usos sends Logan Paul at ringside. And now the winding the Usos. Incredible action here on Raw. Now Gunther destroying Dragon Lee. Dragon Lee continuously attacked Gunther from weeks after Gunther retired AJ Styles. Dragon Lee was very angry on Gunther, as we all do. And now Gunther taking revenge. Another attack, another kick. One more kick to the face of Dragon Lee.
Yeah, sometimes you just get it,
Gunther
yeah.
punishing Lee.
Put the dragon's fire out!
The ring general. Oh, Lee
Yeah,
fighting
you got
back
it,
with the
man.
punches. Chop. Gunther. A close line by Dragon Lee. Having all the momentum. Oh, Gunther, what he's trying to do? Oh, he takes out the mask of Dragon Lee. A complete disrespect for the luchador. And Dragon Lee, I think, tapped out. Oh, he tapped out. Look at the replay. The mask is not there. It's already fallen on the mat. And Gunther wins the match. AJ Styles, Dragon Lee versus the Usos. Tag made. Dragon Lee up top. Styles and Lee looks to end the Usos in this match. A phenomenal one. Going for the style slash. Oh no, Dragon Lee. It's a super kick from Big Jim. And now Jimmy Uso sends style outside. It's a forearm strike from the phenomenal one. Here Styles is all set for the phenomenal forearm.
Yeah, sometimes you just get it, yeah.
Double super kick by the Usos to
Put the
Styles.
dragon's fire out!
Double super kick to Dragon Lee. One day. The Usos turned the tables. And the Usos defeated Styles and Lee. Incredible match here. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more. And now Jawan Evans. The young OG. The future of WWE. Responsive. Jawan Evans with the incredible moves. The bouncing moves. Oh wow. Subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more.